welcome to Sister Monique's Cuisine. Thank you to all my subscribers and my new subscribers. Thank you to all my supporters. Please continue to support this channel by like it, share it, and send me your comment. And or you can make a donation too. You're welcome to make a donation to motivate me to share all my videos with you. Do not forget to subscribe. So let's go this channel together. So this is a beef stew that I'm going to share with you. The meat I'm using is a beef feet and oxtail and turkey neck. And after I clean it, I use lemon and vinegar and sour orange. Clean it and rinse it. And now let's do the seasoning. The seasoning with that Haitian épice and Maggi, whatever your flavor you want to use, whatever you use to seasoning your meat with. This is what I'm using. I'm using garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, Haitian épice, and Maggi, and my hot pepper sauce that I always have in my kitchen. That will take your food to another level. And that hot pepper sauce, it is on my channels. So go ahead and check it out. And after seasoning and let it rest, and I used my pressure cooker. I let the meat cook because the beef feet it take a long time to cook. But I'm going to put all of them together, and then after maybe 30 minutes, I'm going to take the oxtail and the turkey neck out and let the other meat cook for some more time. This is spinach, watercress, yellow yam, potatoes, sweet potato, carrots, plantain, and banana, malenga, sweet potato, yuca, anything you want on your stew, you can use it. And this is what I'm using. And now it's time for me to take the meat out. I take the meat out, and this is the beef feet. So I'm going to let it cook, and then I'm going to use this big pot. I'm going to put one tablespoon of tomato paste, and I put 1 can of tomato, and let the meat cook really well and have some flavor, family. This meat, I'm going to let it steam, and I put salt on it. Just check it. If it needs more flavor, more seasoning, you can add it to it. And I let it cook for some more time and mix it very well and let the meat have some color to it. So now it's time. After I clean, I peel all my vegetables, and I put hot water, add some more hot water to let it cook very well. So let it cook all the vegetables, and then add the green on it. And look at this, and I add the rest of the water that the meat was cooking. And now this is flour. Let's go make the dumpling, family. And this part I put Haitian épice little bit, and put salt and Maggi, and I put it in my flour. Make sure you strain your flour so to take whatever it's bad on it. So mix it very well. I add a little bit oil on it. You can even add butter. And make sure you clean up your hands, your nails very well before you do your dumpling, family. It's your food. You know how you want it. So I make sure I clean my hands so I don't have to do it on the camera. You don't need to see it, but I did it. And make sure you do yours too. And then, yes, put my dumpling, everything, mix it together. Voila, family. This is my beef stew. Look at it, so yummy. And please do not forget to like it and share it and send me a comment. And every time you feel dehydrated, this is your food right there. This is your food. It will boost your immune system. It will give you energy. And my husband was working